In this video, I will show you how to add a call button in your Google Ads. So if you're already running ads and you want to add a call button, or maybe you want to add it to future ads as well, what you want to do is just open up Google Ads and then go to your campaigns in the left, and there click on assets, and then you have this drop down. Just gonna click assets again, and then from here you want to click on the blue plus button that says create asset. From there select call. And now here you can add it to your account or to a specific campaign or ad group. So I'll select a campaign. You can also do multiple campaigns. Then click done. And you can see the preview right here. So first choose the country that you are from and that your phone number is from, and then enter the phone number. And then from there it will also show in the preview the phone number. Now here you have the conversion action, so calls from ads or use account settings. You can also set it to none. You can add a call interaction bid adjustment, so increase or decrease. And then under advanced options, you can select the days and hours that people can call. And then you can click save. And now that will be added to your campaigns. So for now, you can see it's pending under review. When it's approved, it will be added to your campaign. So that's how to add a call button in Google Ads. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.